Hey guys, this is the Credit Card Maestro. I have an unboxing. So it's been about a week. American Express said because of the demand of the Rose Gold card, it took me about a week to get this card. I ordered it when the day it came out, actually the day after it came out. I ordered it and just got it today. It is now October 18th. Okay, so it's been a while, but this is the card. Definitely want to get into the unboxing. Guys, make sure you apply if you want to still apply for this card. You apply under my referral link in the bio, the description of this video. So instead of getting 25,000 membership reward points, you get 50,000. Let's get right into the video. All right, everybody, so this is the box it comes in, and obviously I've already opened it to kind of, sharpie out some of the important private information, but I'm going to make it as original as possible. I promise, as original as possible. So this is what it comes in. I put a little piece of tape here, and you open it up, and voila, you get this. Now you're golden. And this is a nice material. Now you're golden. So let's check it out. Okay, and then you open this up, and welcome to the new gold standard. Don't live life without it. Every bite adds up. It's a big reward with your new Amex gold card. All right, so and this is some pretty nice material. So this is what that is, pretty nice. And let's get into the paper. Let's see what's inside of it. Let's see. So you have your new Amex Gold card here, everything you need to get started. So pretty much the basic information, and then when you turn this around and you pull this down, nice little rhyme right there, you get the most important part of the package, which is the card. And I did definitely get it in the rose gold. I had the PRG card and I had it in the gold. I wanted to get the rose gold since it's limited. We can always get the gold after January, or if something happens to the card, you lose the card, or when the card expires, you can go ahead and they'll give you a new gold card. Let's try to get the color as much as possible with it. I did obviously cover up some things. This is a pretty nice card, and metal. The back has the numbers on it, so I'm not going to show the back, but that's that. So I'm going to put that over here, and it's the most important part of it. And you can obviously go on here once you get the package and set up your information, log on. You got to confirm the card, activate it, all that good stuff. Let's see what else is in the box. You have, oh, now you guys know my pay over time limit, and also the annual percentage rate based off of Prime. Let's see. Late payment fees, all the good stuff that you guys probably don't look at as much, and honestly neither do I at most important time. But this is pretty much it when it comes to the cards unboxing. Nothing really special. It does not look like in the package it tells you guys the benefits, the perks, and all that stuff. So I did do a video. I will put that video at the end of this video so you guys can catch up if you haven't seen it. Guys, thank you so much for those views, for the comments. Greatly appreciate it. All the new subscribers that are subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. So if you guys did not know, Amex Gold card is now just a gold card. The annual fee is $250. It is not waived the first year like it was previous years. But with this, you do get 4 points on restaurants, 4 points per dollar on supermarkets. This is maxed at 25,000 per year, but for most people that is good enough. You get 3 points on airfare directly with the airline or on AmexTravel.com. New thing, $120 dining credit that is given to you in increments of $10. Pretty similar to the Uber/Uber Eats credit on the Amex Platinum. And then you also get the $100 airline credit per year, which should be used for bags, maybe food on board, but also still works with American Airlines with the gift card. So at this current time of the video. Now this is the box. Sorry guys, we had some camera difficulties, but we're back. So yeah, this is the box that the gold card comes in. It's not as impressive as the platinum card in the box that it came in. All right, but that is to be expected when you have a premium card and like the middle card. So gold card is the middle, then you have, so you got platinum, gold, green. Okay, green being the lowest. This was a piece of wood that the card came in, which is pretty cool, engraved as Amex. And then if you turn it around, it's actually a phone holder. So you can be at your desk if you at work and put your phone in there and hold it. It looks nice, professional, and it's also cool. Got some nice compliments with this. Got some nice compliments with this when I was at work when I used to use it. And obviously it comes with the Welcome to Platinum, so it comes with all the, pretty much the benefits what the card has. Some of the things have gotten better, like the shop sacks with platinum. So that's pretty much it. But guys, definitely I will be doing a comparison and contrast with the gold card and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. That is like the card that was always its competition, and I do personally believe now with the Amex Gold card, the Amex Platinum in your pocket, I'm leaning more towards these cards, guys, more than the Chase. I know everybody has their opinions. That's my opinion. We can always talk about that in the comments, but these two cards are kind of right now in the lead, in my opinion. And so, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.